Today, we're diving into TikTok Shop. With over 150 million users in the US alone, TikTok has become a massive force in social media, and its in-app shopping feature, TikTok Shop, is catching major attention. But is it actually worth selling on TikTok Shop in 2024? Today, we'll explore everything from the pros and cons to what you need to know before you start. So let's get into it. What is TikTok Shop? So TikTok Shop is an in-app shopping feature that allows users to buy products directly within TikTok. It's seamless. There's no need to switch apps, so users stay engaged longer and there's less chance for cart abandonment. You can set up product links and videos, go live with product showcases, and even feature products in a dedicated shop tab on your profile. Setting up a TikTok shop is pretty straightforward. You start by signing up with your existing TikTok account, entering in your business information, and waiting for approval. Once approved, you can upload products, link a bank account, and begin selling. However, while it sounds simple, there are a few key aspects to consider to make sure TikTok Shop is the right fit for your business. The pros of selling on TikTok Shop. Massive user base with high engagement. One of the biggest draws of TikTok Shop is the platform's massive and highly engaged user base. TikTok has over 1.5 billion active users worldwide, with more than 150 million in the US alone. People spend an average of an hour on TikTok a day, and 92% of users take some kind of action after watching a video, whether it's following an account, liking a post, or importantly, making a purchase. If you're a small business, TikTok offers a unique chance to connect directly with a highly active audience. This level of engagement increases the chances that users will see and engage with your products, potentially leading to higher conversion rates than on other social media platforms. Virality potential. TikTok's algorithm is built for virality. It doesn't just favor followers or big accounts, it promotes content based on engagement, creativity, and relevance. This means that small businesses with engaging content have a chance to go viral, reaching new audiences and potentially driving significant sales. TikTok's virality isn't limited to just a single post. It can also extend to your TikTok shop. A successful viral video could lead thousands of viewers directly to your shop, where they can make immediate purchases. For instance, a live demonstration or a well-crafted video showcasing your product's unique qualities could become a trending video, leading to a flood of new followers and orders. Cost-effective advertising. TikTok's ad rates are competitive, especially compared to traditional platforms like TV. TikTok ads are reportedly twice as effective as TV ads, meaning that your marketing dollars will go further on TikTok. TikTok Shop also benefits from in-app promotions and discounts, helping your product reach even more people at a lower cost. Small and medium businesses can use these ads to target specific audiences without breaking the bank, making TikTok Shop a strong choice for cost-conscious brands. Diverse content options. With TikTok, you can create various types of content, from short-form videos to live streams. The ability to go live and showcase your products in real time is a unique advantage. It allows for more interactive selling, where you can answer questions on the spot, demo products, and drive immediate purchases. This live interaction can help you build rapport with customers, creating a more personalized and memorable shopping experience. Live streaming on TikTok Shop has another major benefit. It encourages impulse buying. When potential customers see a product in action, they're more likely to buy it on the spot, especially when they have the opportunity to ask questions or see it used in real time. Some sellers have even reported making dozens of sales in a single live stream session. Community and influencer engagement. TikTok is built around community and connection, which translate well to brands. Collaborating with influencers is huge on TikTok, and with TikTok Shop, it's easy to leverage popular creators to promote products. Influencer marketing has helped countless small brands grow, and TikTok's community makes it simple to find creators whose audience align with your brand. When you partner with an influencer, they can showcase your products in their own unique style, often creating engaging, entertaining content that feels more like a recommendation from a friend. This authenticity can lead to a significant increase in conversions and brand trust, helping you establish a loyal customer base. Now for the cons of selling on TikTok Shop. Limited availability. Currently, TikTok Shop is only available in the US and the UK, limiting its reach if your target audience is international. For now, TikTok's e-commerce capabilities are restricted to these regions, so you may need to wait if you're targeting markets outside of the US and the UK. While this is likely to change as TikTok continues to expand its e-commerce offerings, businesses with a global audience may find the limited availability a drawback. Algorithm dependence. The TikTok algorithm is a double-edged sword. While it can help you go viral, it also means that your content's reach heavily depends on the algorithm, which can be unpredictable. You could post engaging content and still not reach your intended audience, especially without paying for ads. To work with the algorithm, focus on trends, music, and engaging formats. Regularly monitor your analytics to understand what types of content resonate best with your audience, and be willing to adjust your strategy based on performance. Violation points system. TikTok has a violation point system that many sellers find challenging. With TikTok Shop, you can acquire up to 50 points over 6 months, and if you reach that limit, you're banned from the platform. Some sellers report receiving violation points for issues outside their control, like incorrect category listings, even if TikTok's system automatically categorizes products. Being banned is hard to recover from, so it's crucial to follow the platform's guidelines closely. One way to minimize violations is by double-checking product listings to ensure that they meet TikTok's guidelines. Avoid anything that could be flagged for copyright infringement or inappropriate categorization, as these are common issues that lead to penalties. Customer support issues. Many sellers have expressed frustration with TikTok Shop's customer support. It's hard to reach a live agent, and responses can be slow. This can make troubleshooting issues, especially critical ones like payment or shipping problems, a real headache for businesses. As TikTok continues to grow its e-commerce platform, customer support may improve, but for now, sellers often need to be resourceful and proactive in handling issues. Keeping detailed records and familiarizing yourself with the platform's policies can help you navigate potential problems more effectively. Shipping and inventory considerations. Strict shipping requirements. TikTok Shop has stricter shipping requirements than some other platforms. Orders need to be shipped within 3 business days, and simply printing a shipping label isn't enough. Your package must be marked as in transit in the postal system within that time frame. If you don't meet these requirements, TikTok may actually refund the customer, which can cost you. A good tip is to batch process orders if possible, ensuring that they're all ready to go within the shipping time frame. Additionally, some sellers recommend giving yourself a 2-day maximum to process orders, allowing an extra day for the post office to scan and mark them as in transit. Best for ready-to-ship products. Due to the shipping requirements, TikTok Shop is best suited for ready-to-ship products rather than made-to-order items. If you don't have inventory ready to go, this could create a bottleneck, especially if you're dealing with high order volumes. Another benefit of ready-to-ship items is that they build trust with customers. When buyers receive their products quickly, they're more likely to leave positive reviews and return for future purchases. Payout schedule. TikTok Shop's payout schedule can be a drawback. Initially, sellers had to wait 15 days after delivery to receive their payout. Now that time frame has been reduced to 8 days, but it's still a delay that could impact cash flow, especially for small businesses. Once you reach a certain seller status, TikTok may shorten the payout period, but this requires building a good track record first. For businesses that rely on immediate income, it's essential to account for this delay. Consider alternative funding options or budgeting strategies to manage cash flow during the wait period. Fees and costs. Changing fee structure. TikTok Shop currently has a 2% fee, but this is expected to increase to 6% and 8% by the end of the year. Compared to other platforms, this is still competitive. Amazon and eBay fees typically range from 13 to 15%, while Etsy's fees hover around 7 to 13%. However, it's essential to account for these changes, especially if your margins are thin. TikTok funded discounts. An interesting aspect of TikTok Shop is that it often offers heavy discounts or free shipping to customers, but these costs aren't covered by the seller. TikTok absorbs them. So while this helps drive traffic to the platform and potentially increase your sales, it may not last forever. The platform is using these incentives to build momentum momentum now, but don't rely on them as a permanent feature. Tips for success on TikTok Shop. Choose safe, non-branded products. Avoid listing anything branded or requiring certification. Many sellers have faced bans for selling items with copyrighted logos or for using words like dupe in their listings. Safe products to sell include general items like phone cases, wallets, and home goods. Things that appeal to TikTok's impulsive shopper base and are low risk in terms of compliance. Focus on inventory management. When it comes to selling on TikTok Shop, more products can mean more views and potentially more sales. However, it's essential to keep track of your inventory. High volume listings are great, but if you don't know what's in your store, you risk listing counterfeit or restricted products, which can lead to penalties. Utilize live streaming. Live streaming is a powerful tool on TikTok Shop. Sellers have reported making 60 sales in a 2-hour stream simply by showcasing products live. To get the most out of live streaming, you'll need to have inventory on hand so you can show the items that you're selling in real time. Live streaming is particularly effective in driving sales as it engages viewers directly and creates a sense of urgency. Stay updated on policies and guidelines. TikTok Shop is still evolving and policies can change quickly. To avoid any surprises, make it a habit to review TikTok's guidelines regularly. Staying updated will help you avoid penalties and keep your business running smoothly on the platform. So is TikTok Shop worth it for you? TikTok Shop isn't for everyone, but if your audience is on TikTok, definitely worth considering. For businesses that target a younger demographic, like 18 to 34, TikTok Shop offers a chance to reach new customers, drive sales, and grow brand awareness. The platform's viral potential, combined with its current low fees and TikTok-funded discounts, can make it a really attractive option. That said, TikTok Shop is still young, and its growth hasn't been without issues. The changing fee structure, limited support, and strict shipping requirements can pose challenges, particularly for small businesses. So weigh these pros and cons carefully. Final thoughts. TikTok Shop is a fast evolving platform with lots of potential, especially if you're willing to navigate its challenges. High engagement rates, viral potential, and cost-effective ads make it really appealing. But like any e-commerce platform, it's essential to stay informed, manage your risks, and adapt to TikTok's updates. So is TikTok Shop worth it in 2024? If your audience is there and you're ready to put in the effort, then it could be a game changer. Test it out, keep an eye on the trends, and see if TikTok Shop can help take your business to the next level. If you want to get started with TikTok Shop, we'll leave a link down below in the description to get started. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using that link, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe for more. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.